Your car is more than transportation. It's a money-making machine just waiting to be unlocked. Whether you drive a compact, an SUV, or even an older car, today I'm going to show you real ways people are earning hundreds and even thousands every month using nothing but their car. And trust me, number 5 is the easiest and most profitable if you're just starting. Let's dive in. Number 1. Let's start with the obvious, ride-sharing. Uber, Lyft, Bolt, they're still one of the fastest ways to turn your car into cash. But here's the trick most people don't know. Work the high-demand hours, early morning, evenings, weekends. Position yourself near airports, malls, events, hotels. Use a clean, well-kept car for the comfort or premium tier. Drivers who follow these small hacks can earn 40 to 60% more than the average driver. Number 2. If picking up passengers isn't your thing, no problem. Food delivery is exploding. You can work with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, Walmart Spark. The best part? You can work anytime, take no passengers, and earn great tips. Some Amazon Flex drivers even make $100 to $150 per 3 to 4 hour block. That's serious cash for simple deliveries. Number 3. Now here's a passive one. Rent out your car. Apps like Turo, Getaround, or HireCar let you rent your car to people who need it short-term. Imagine this. You're at work, you're asleep, you're watching Netflix. Meanwhile, your car is out there making $35 to $100 a day depending on the model. A well-maintained SUV on Turo can earn $1,000 plus per month in the right city. Do nothing, make money. Who doesn't like that? Number 4. Want something super easy? Wrap your car. Companies like Carvertise, Rapify, and Nicolytics pay you to place ads on your car and simply drive. Most campaigns pay between $200 to $400 a month, and all you do is keep your normal driving routine. And no, they don't use shady vinyl or damage your paint. It's removable. If you drive a lot, this one is practically free money. Number 5. Now here's where things get spicy. Specialized driving. This is the part most people don't know, and where the highest pay usually comes from. You can offer services like airport private pickups, corporate transportation, wedding or event chauffeur, school pickup drop-off for busy parents, pet transport. These services can pay 40, 60, even 100 plus per hour, depending on your car and your professionalism. All you need is a clean car, good etiquette, punctuality. You can run this as your own small business and keep every dollar. Number 6. Here's the unexpected one. Turn your car into content. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, people love car content. You could create videos on reviews, fixing your car, road trips, challenges, tips for drivers, detailing and cleaning. Some creators start with zero experience and end up making thousands from ads, brand deals, and sponsorships. The only investment? Your phone and your car. So there you have it. 6 powerful ways you can start earning money with your car starting today. Now I want to hear from you. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below, I read everyone. And if you want more money-making hacks, car tips, and side hustles, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your car is sitting outside right now. Why not let it make some money for you?